So you've tried to win the lawn war, and your lawn looks fine, but that's it. Just fine. That's because you're overthinking it. That tool you're missing is above you right now. Water. You just haven't unlocked its full potential. Yet. Introducing from Turf Titan, Hydro Holder. Unlock your lawn and bring it up to its full power. There's an extra level to your lawn that only Hydro Holder can reach. Acting as an advanced wetting agent, it sticks to your soil and supercharges its water absorption abilities. Suddenly, your lawn isn't just being watered, it's absorbing and utilizing every single drop to maximum effect. Hydro Holder maximizes the efficacy of any other product that touches your grass, so you can still get great nutrient absorption while spending less on fertilizers. You've never thought of it, but that improved water penetration makes all the difference. Safe for the planet and proven on millions of acres before yours. That rich green lawn you're searching for is finally within reach, thanks to Hydro Holder.